Dear farmers, welcome. Today I am posting this ring pit method in English version. Here you can see 9 beds has been placed in a pit for ring pit plantation of the sugarcane. In this method you can make the trenches, then you can connect these pits with this trench, and 9 single bed which are being treated with the fungicide 2 gram per liter of water, soaking it about 15 to 30 minutes, and then put into the pit. Only 3 to 4 centimeter earthing up is done over this single budded sugarcane set. You can see here that about 30 to 35 plants are there. You can say tillers are there. They are very healthy, and you can predict the yield of your sugarcane plant at earlier, because there is malleable cane in great number in ring pit method of plantation. You can see here that these pits are being connected with the trench, and healthy seed bud has been used. If you are going for the thin cane, then this thin cane may dry very early, and there will be less germination. You can see here about 30 to 35 plants are there. This type of the nursery can also be made, and nursery plants, settling plants can also be planted into the ring pit method of the plantation. Trenches are being made for smooth irrigation into the pit. Per pit fertilizer application is being done so that wastage of fertilizer can be avoided, wastage of irrigation water can be avoided. In this method you can take simultaneously different intercrops. The best crop for intercropping in ring pit method is potato. You can take 2 line of potato planting at 30 centimeter distance, and you can make the separate irrigation channel between the 2 rows, so that you can irrigate the potato crop separately. Here you can see that de-leafing has been done, keeping in the mind that old leaf which are not good for photosynthesis, are not making the food photosynthesis for the plant. They have been de-leafed, and de-leafed dry leaf has been put into space between 2 rows, that is inter-row spacing, and this dry leaf converted into the compost, and healthy nutrients are being created. Also beneficial microorganisms also generate below this dry leaf, and you can say even vermicomposting can also be done. There is also one more benefit of de-leafing, that porosity of the soil is much more below the dry leaf. In this method of ring pit plantation, you can see that very healthy cane crop is here, and even 700 quintal per acre you can take. Thanks.